I'm going to show you how to create an invisible wall in Roblox Studio so players in your game can't access certain areas. This is something a lot of Roblox games use to block progression, protect unfinished areas, or guide players in the right direction. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support more tutorials like this. So after opening Roblox Studio, the first thing we need to do is create the wall itself. To do that, go to the Explorer tab and click on Workspace. If you can't find the Explorer tab on your screen, don't worry, just click on the Window tab at the top of Roblox Studio and then click on Explorer. You can also press Alt plus X on your keyboard to quickly make the Explorer menu appear. Once you have Explorer open, find Workspace, click the plus icon next to it, and add a part. This part is going to become our invisible wall. After creating the part, you'll see a block appear in your game. Now we need to resize it at the top left of Roblox Studio, click on the scale tool so we can make the wall larger. Then simply drag the sides outward and also drag upward to increase the height. Keep resizing it until you have a wall shape similar to the one you want in your game. Once the wall is the correct size, place it exactly where you want players to be blocked. For example, you can put it in front of a restricted area, near a secret location, or at the edge of a map. Now let's make the wall invisible. Click on the part you just created and then go to the Properties menu. We need to change a few settings here. The first important thing is enabling the Anchored option. Make sure Anchored is checked. This keeps the wall fixed in place. If you forget to enable this, the wall will simply fall through the ground when the game starts and it won't work correctly. After enabling Anchored, scroll in the Properties menu until you find the Transparency option under the Appearance section. Increase the transparency value all the way to 1. As soon as you do that, the wall will become completely invisible, and that's it. You've now created an invisible wall. To test it, click play at the top of Roblox Studio. Once your character loads into the game, walk toward the area where you placed the wall. You'll notice that even though you can't see anything there, your character is no longer able to walk forward because the invisible wall is blocking the path. That means everything is working perfectly. Now, before ending the video, let me show you something extra that can make this effect look even cooler in your game. Instead of using a completely invisible wall, you can actually turn it into a visible energy barrier or force field effect, which is something a lot of Roblox games use for restricted zones or different stages of progression. To do that, click on the wall again and go back into the Properties menu. Under the Appearance section, look for the Material option. Click on it and choose Force Field as the material type. After that, lower the transparency a little so the wall becomes visible again. Then you can change the color of the wall to something like blue, red, or any color you want by clicking on the color option and selecting a new color. Once you click play again, you'll see that instead of an invisible wall, you now have a glowing force field barrier that players still can walk through. This can make your game look much more polished and interesting, especially if you're creating different levels, restricted areas, boss fights, or progression systems. And that's how you create an invisible wall in Roblox Studio. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Roblox Studio tutorials and tips.